This one is the crispy canava with pistachio and tahini paste encased in dark chocolate, 72%. We're now going to open the dark chocolate. Okay, so the original is the milk chocolate, so this is a dark chocolate. I have to say it looks really pretty. Okay, we're going to cut it open now. So this one is just like a dark chocolate version. I should slightly prefer this one because it's not as sweet. But if you ask me to buy again, I don't think I would. But I'll go for the Baskin Robbins ice cream stick. I think that has got the perfect balance of this pistachio kind of chocolate.